Today we will discuss about the Additidium first semester workshop technology syllabus in one shot. So 1 inch equal 25.4 mm, 1 inch equal 2.54 सेंटीमीटर. mm में होता है ASME इंच फीट पाउंड माइल, ISO होते हैं mm सेंटीमीटर केजी किलोमीटर. ISO इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन. ASME अमेरिका सोसाइटी ऑफ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर. What are the types of scale? Vernier caliper, micrometer, bevel protractor, dial indicator, and vernier height gauge. Focus of technology and practice. So 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal 10 mm, 1 mm equal 1000 mu, 1 mu equal 1 upon 1000 mm equal 10 की power minus 3 mm. So lathe is a machine tool by which we can remove the material from the workpiece by rotating it by the help of a single point cutting tool. Machine is a device which converts one form of energy to any useful work. Without a tool, a machine can't be made. Tool is a device which does our work without energy consumption. Machine tool, the machine which can capable of producing or manufacturing of its own parts is called saw. Machine M by C. So machine tools. Error in manufacturing, human error, machine error, tooling error, environmental error, instrumental error. Process planning, extrusion, shape size. Purpose of removing burr, accident ना हो, accuracy बनी रहे. Scriber, here is straight point, grip and scriber. So the scriber is a tool which is used for marking lines to indicate dimension of the workpiece to be filed. Specification, length and size. Raw material, high carbon steel. Most commonly used one is the plane scriber. Place a cork on the point when not in use to prevent accident. Same in dividers. Dividers are used for scribing or marking circles, arcs, and for transferring the dimension. Specification, joint to size. Pin, firm joint, spring joint. Size, material, high carbon steel. Hair divider, peg, spring, fulcrum, ball, nut, washer, leg, and hair size. And it is the construction of spring joint divider. कैलिपर होता है एक मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. कैलिपर आर इनडायरेक्ट मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स यूज फॉर ट्रांसफरिंग मेजरमेंट्स फ्रॉम अ स्टील रूल टू अ जॉब एंड वाइस वर्सा एंड एरिया. कैलिपर्स का मटेरियल होता है स्टेनलेस स्टील. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कैलिपर्स, इनसाइड कैलिपर, आउटसाइड कैलिपर. फर्म जॉइंट कैलिपर एंड स्प्रिंग जॉइंट कैलिपर. इनसाइड कैलिपर एंड आउटसाइड कैलिपर. स्प्रिंग जॉइंट एडजस्टिंग नट. Jenny calipers have one leg with an adjustable divider point, while the other is a bent leg. These are available in size of 150, 200, 250 and 300 mm. Jenny calipers for marking lines parallel to the inside and outside edges, for finding the center of round bars. Here the construction of Jenny calipers. One leg with an adjustable divider point. Okay, 1 centimeter 2 3 4 graduation will be given like that. Punches are used for marking permanent layout on the workpiece. Specification, angle. Raw material होता है हाई कार्बन स्टील, हार्डन्ड एंड ग्राउंड होते हैं. सेंटर पंच 90 डिग्री एंगल, डॉट पंच 30 और 60 डिग्री एंगल एंड प्रिक पंच. Hammer, an engineer hammer is a hand tool used for striking purpose. Wheel, punching, bending, straightening, chipping, forging or riveting. 30, 60 and 90 degree angle. Major parts of a hammer. The major parts of a hammer are the head and the handle. A hammer is made of drop-forged carbon steel. While the wooden handle must be capable of absorbing shock. The parts of a hammer: head, face, pin, cheeks and the eye hole. The construction of hammer: face, pin, cheeks and the eye hole. Face. The face is the striking portion A slight convexity is given to it, avoid digging off the edge. It is used for striking, wheel chipping, bending, punching, etc. Pin. The pin is the other end of the head. It is used for shaping and forming work like riveting and bending. The pin is of different shapes such as ball pin, cross pin, straight pin. The face and the pin are case hardened. Chicks. The chick is the middle portion of the hammerhead. The weight of the hammer is stemmed here. This portion of the hammerhead is left soft eye hole. The eye hole is meant for fixing the handle. It is shaped to fix the handle rigidly. The wedges fix the handle in the eye hole. Position of wedge in hammer. Application of hammer pin. The ball pin is used for riveting. The cross pin is used for spreading the metal in one direction. The straight pin is used at the corners. The ball pin hammer is used for driving a chisel in parting metal. Specification. Specified by the weight and shape of the pin. Their weight varies from 125 gram to 750 grams. The weight of an engineer's hammer used for marking purpose is 250 gram. The ball pin hammer are used for general work in a machine fitting shop. Note: handle is properly fit. Correct weight of the hammer. Check the hammer head and the handle. Face of the hammer is free from oil or grease. Now V-block. V-block is generally used for marking or holding the circular workpiece. Types of V-block: single level, single groove V-block, single level, double groove V-block, double level, single groove V-block. Here single level, single groove, single level, double groove, डबल लेवल सिंगल ग्रूव्स, ये होते हैं ग्रूव्स फॉर क्लैंपिंग. टॉप फेस, ये है फ्लैंक्स ऑफ वी, ये साइड फेस. स्पेसिफिकेशन है, साइज, मटेरियल है इसका हार्डन्ड स्टील. वाइसेस आर यूज्ड फॉर होल्डिंग द वर्कपीस फॉर फाइलिंग, शोविंग, थ्रेडिंग एंड अदर हैंड ऑपरेशन. टाइप्स हैं बेंच वाइस, मशीन वाइस, पाइप वाइस, हैंड वाइस, लेग वाइस, यूनिवर्सल वाइस, टूल मेकर्स वाइस, पोर्टेबल वाइस. स्पेसिफिक एंड रॉ मटेरियल है कास्ट आयरन, कास्ट स्टील, ग्रे कास्ट स्टील, ग्रे कास्ट आयरन. स्पेसिफिकेशन: ओपनिंग ऑफ जोस फॉर फाइलिंग, ओपनिंग ऑफ जोस, ग्रिपिंग वर्क फॉर फाइलिंग, कटिंग ऑफ पाइप हेल्ड इन पाइप जोस, टूल मेकर्स कॉम्बिनेशन वाइस, straightening sheet metal on anvil, holding work in position for bending. Is used for cutting or parting a workpiece. Types of frame: solid frame, adjustable frame, flat type, tubular pipe. Specification of a hacksaw blade: length, width, thickness, TPI tooth per inch. Material: high speed steel, high carbon steel. Back edge, side, center line, length and a pinhole. I-square is used for checking squareness and perpendicularity of a surface or workpiece. Here, tri-square construction, stroke, 90-degree angle, straight edge, blade and 90-degree here also. Now files. Files are used for removing excess material from a workpiece. Specification: size, shape, grade, cut. Shape: flat, triangular, round or circular, square, half round, knife edge, jewelry file. There are types of grade: rough file, busted file, second cut file, smooth file, dead smooth file. सिंगल कट फाइल 60 डिग्री एंगल पे टीथ कट हैं इसके, यूज फॉर कटिंग हेवी अमाउंट ऑफ मटेरियल. डबल कट फाइल 70 डिग्री एंगल एंड 51 डिग्री एंगल टीथ, यूज फॉर कटिंग हेवी अमाउंट ऑफ मटेरियल. रास्प कट फाइल यूज फॉर कटिंग वुड और लेदर. कर्व कट फाइल यूज फॉर कट जिंक और एल्यूमिनियम. द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ अ फाइल: टिप और पॉइंट, फेस और साइड, सेफ एज, हील, शोल्डर, हैंडल, फेरल, टेंग एंड फाइल लेंथ. सो tip or point, the end opposite to tang. Face or side, the broad part of the file with teeth cut on its surface. Edge, the thin part of the file with a single row of parallel teeth. Heel, the portion of the broad part without teeth. Shoulder, the curved part of the file separating tang from the body. Tang, the narrow and thin part of a file which fits into the handle. The part fitted to tank for holding the file. Ferrule, a protective metal ring to prevent cracking of the handle. Material, high carbon steel, high grade cast steel, hardened or tempered. Operation: cross filing, straight filing, draw filing. Pinning of files. During filing, sometimes the metal chips filing will clog between the teeth of files. This is known as pinning of files. Files which are pinned will produce scratches on the surface being filed and also will not bite well. Pinning of the files is removed by using a file brush, also called a file card, with either forward or backward stroke. File brush, overcut, undercut. Cold chisel is used for chipping or cutting off operation. Specification: size, material, hardened steel. Types of chisel: flat chisel, cross-cut chisel, half-round notch chisel, diamond point chisel, wet chisel. Head, ये both are chisel है, ये head provided है, body and point. Surface plates for marking by which we can get dimensional accuracy. Specification: length, width, grade. Raw material: cast iron or granite. Care and maintenance: clean before and after use. Do not keep the job on the surface plate. Do not keep any cutting tool on the table. Surface plate: heavily ribbed underside, cast iron surface plate. Angle plates are used for giving support to the workpiece while marking. Specification: size, material, cast iron. Types of angle plates: slotted types angle plates, swivel type angle plates, box type angle plates. Edges and ends machined squared. Caliper का material invar steel. Specification: range, mechanism, sliding. List count: it is the smallest measurement that can be taken by an instrument. Unit क्या होती है? वर्नियर कैलिपर, mm. फ्रेंच मैथमेटिशियन इन्वेंटेड वर्नियर कैलिपर जॉन पियरे बी वर्नियर इन 1631. Division of main scale upon total number of division of sub scale. 1 mm upon 50 mm equal 0.02 mm. Reading procedure of vernier caliper: MSR plus VC into LC, where MSR equal main scale reading, VC into vernier coincidence, LC list count. Anvil, C-frame, spindle, barrel sleeve, thimble and ratchet stop. Mechanism: nut and screw. Specification क्या है? range. List count: list number of division on main scale upon total number of division sub thimble scale. 0.5 upon 50 equal 0.01 mm. Reading procedure: MSR plus TSC into LC. Main scale reading, thimble scale coincidence, list count. The 5 equal 5.00 mm. One additional line equal thimble scale coincidence. It means half line visually down, so the 0.50 mm plus 5.00 plus 0.50 equal 5.50 mm. 28 into list count what? 0.01 mm, so 0.028 mm plus 5.50 plus 0.28 equal 5.78 mm. Reading, it is the calculation, reading calculation. Instruction: the vernier caliper consists of two scales, one is fixed and other is movable. The fixed scale called main scale is calibrated on L-shaped frame and carries a fixed jaw. The movable scale called vernier scale and carries movable jaw. The movable jaw as well as fixed jaw carries measuring tip. When the two jaws are closed, the zero of vernier scale coincides the zero of main scale. For precise settings of the movable jaw, an adjustment screw is provided. Also, an arrangement is provided to lock the sliding scale on the fixed main scale. Vernier caliper are used for internal and external measurement. Category: precision measuring instrument. Principle: difference between two scales. List count: it is measures by dividing the list count of the main scale and by the total number of division of the vernier scale. The list count of vernier scale is given as 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So 1 MSD equal 1 mm, 50 VSD equal 49 MSD, 50 VSD equal 49 mm, 1 VSD equal 49 upon 50 mm, 1 VSD equal 0.98 mm. List count 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So 1 mm minus 0.98 mm equal 0.02 mm. Micrometer allows a measurement of the size of a body. It is one of the most accurate mechanical device in common use. It consists a main scale and a thimble. Types inside micrometer, depth micrometer, outside micrometer. List count होता है इसका 0.01 mm. Each revolution of the ratchet moves the spindle face 0.5 mm towards the anvil face. The object to be measured is placed between the anvil face and the spindle face. The ratchet is turned clockwise until the object is trapped between these two surfaces, and ratchet makes a clicking noise. This means that the ratchet cannot be tightened anymore and the measurement can be read. Range 25 mm, 50 mm or 1 inch minimum. Now screwdrivers. Screwdrivers are used for tightening or loosening a screw from the attached component. Raw material shank tough steel, tip tungsten carbide, हैंडल होता है प्लास्टिक रबराइज्ड बॉडी, स्पेसिफिकेशन होते हैं साइज. टाइप्स ऑफ स्क्रू ड्राइवर, रेगुलर स्क्रू ड्राइवर, फिलिप्स स्क्रू ड्राइवर, टॉर्क स्क्रू ड्राइवर, स्क्वायर हेड स्क्रू ड्राइवर, एलन हेड स्क्रू ड्राइवर. Wrenches spinners are used for tightening or loosening nut and bolt from the attached component. Specification size, raw material है alloy material, chrome vanadium alloy steel. Single or double-ended, it is stay on 15-degree angle. Open the nut or bolt. Open end wrenches, box and ring wrenches, combination wrenches, spud wrenches, adjustable wrenches, pipe wrenches, pin by C wrenches, strap wrenches, chain wrenches, torque wrenches and sockets, Allen set screw wrenches. Center, length of the bed, spindle bore size, height of centers, swing over bed, swing over gap. ऑपरेशन टाइप्स होते हैं फेसिंग, प्लेन टर्निंग, प्रोफाइल टर्निंग, ग्रूविंग, थ्रेडिंग, ड्रिलिंग इट्स मूविंग फॉर अ होल रॉन्ग डायमेंशन, बोरिंग, एनलार्जिंग ऑफ प्री ड्रिल्ड होल इट्स नॉट मूविंग इन डाउन बट नॉट गेन सरफेस. रिमिंग क्या होती है? फॉर फिनिशिंग एंड एनलार्जिंग ऑफ प्री ड्रिल्ड होल, प्री बोल्ड होल. इंटरनल प्रोफाइल टर्निंग, इंटरनल ग्रूविंग, इंटरनल थ्रेडिंग are the work holding device which holds, supports and locate the workpiece and guide tools to perform a specific operation. जिग्स एक वर्कपीस को पकड़ने वाला उपकरण है जो विशिष्ट ऑपरेशन के लिए वर्कपीस को पकड़ता है, लोकेट करता है और टूल्स को निर्देशित भी करता है. फिक्सचर आर द वर्क होल्डिंग डिवाइस विच होल्ड्स, सपोर्ट्स एंड लोकेट्स द वर्कपीस बट नॉट गाइड्स द कटिंग टूल टू परफॉर्म ए स्पेसिफिक ऑपरेशन. फिक्सचर एक वर्कपीस को पकड़ने वाला उपकरण है जो विशिष्ट ऑपरेशन के लिए वर्कपीस को पकड़ता है, लोकेट करता है, लेकिन टूल्स को निर्देशित नहीं करता है. जिग्स आर यूज्ड इन अनडायमेंशनल मशीनिंग डेट ड्रिलिंग, रिमिंग, टेपिंग. फिक्सचर आर यूज्ड इन मल्टी डायमेंशनल मशीनिंग डेट मिलिंग, टर्निंग एंड ग्राइंडिंग. जिग्स आर लाइट इन वेट, फिक्सचर आर राइगेड इन बल्की. Gauge blocks are not necessary. Gauge blocks may be provided for effective handling. The jigs are special tools particularly used in drilling, boring, rimming, taping operation. Fixture are specific tools used particularly in machine shapers and slotting machines. Usually it is not fixed to the machine table. It is fixed to the machine table. Its cost is more. Its cost is less as compared with the jig. Their designing is complex. Their designing is less complex. So, workshop technology first semester syllabus in one shot completed. See you in the next video. Wish you all the very best.